Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks, and it's day 10 of our 14-day exploration of Las Vegas. We are currently walking through Paris Hotel and Casino. We are on our way to Horseshoe, which is a Caesars property, as well as Paris. We're going to be taking the monorail, which is going to take us to Harrah's Resort and Casino. I really love Paris. It's a really fun place to walk around, and they have really good food here. Paris and the Horseshoe are connected by this indoor pedestrian walkway. If you aren't that familiar with Vegas and you have never heard of the Horseshoe, it used to be Bally's. Pretty cool theming on the carpeting here. In this video today, we're going to be going over to Harrah's briefly. We're going to be walking over to the Venetian. Then we're going to go over to the Wynn and Encore, then Resorts World. Then we're going to go to the Fashion Show Mall, and then finally to Treasure Island. The monorail is personally my favorite way to get around Las Vegas. Here is a look at the Horseshoe's pool, and now we're passing by Battista's Hole in the Wall. This is a very interesting Italian dining experience. We had a lot of fun there. The monorail stations going from South Strip to North are MGM Grand, the Horseshoe, the Flamingo, Harrah's, the Las Vegas Convention Center, Westgate, and finally the Sahara. The monorail is located on the east side of the Strip. If you use the monorail and you choose the Harrah station, you'll be going down this hallway. To the left, you're going to find the Link Promenade and Hotel, and to the right, you'll find Harrah's. Harrah's is a pretty cool hotel. I've never personally stayed there, but it's in a really good location and the prices are really reasonable. Resorts, casinos, and attractions you could easily walk to from here would be the Link and the Link Promenade. Across the way, there's the Hard Rock, which used to be Mirage, Treasure Island, Caesars Forum. Next door to Harrah's, you could find the Casino Royale. That's something to see. And then after that is the Venetian and Palazzo. So it's really, in a really convenient location. Come join me and my husband Kelly as we stroll over to the Venetian. You are currently watching my series, What We Did in a Day in Las Vegas. This is where I'm going to show people where things are located, how to get there, why I chose to take this route instead of this route. Walking from Harrah's to the Venetian is pretty fast and easy. If you're new to Vegas and you have never seen this before, the Venetian and the Palazzo, you have to put it on your list of somewhere to go check out. Whether you stay here or not, you really have to come here to see this place. It's amazing. Price-wise, it's on the higher end, but all the rooms are suites. This is going to be a quick walkthrough, but I'm going to be having a full video coming up very soon. This resort, like I said, is absolutely gorgeous, but it's not stuffy or pretentious at all. It's very cool. And just look at the ceiling. The attention to detail is just undeniable. The Venetian is located on the north end of the Strip. After this, you'd be finding the Wynn and Encore and Resorts World. We're going to be going to all those places after this. Don't go anywhere. I'm jamming a lot in this 17-minute video. I'm here to show my husband Zappola Cafe. This resort has amazing places to dine. Let me know in the comments below where you like to eat at the Venetian and Palazzo. We never did dine here this day, though I don't know why. Look at this food. So many great places, so little time. What would you choose to eat? And that's a very brief look at the Venetian and Palazzo. This place is huge. Okay, Kelly, let's go. Time to go to the Wynn and Encore. My husband Kelly owns and operates his own landscaping company. So in wintertime, he has a little time off. So he comes and tours around with me. But otherwise, I'm usually solo. Traveling alone, especially to Las Vegas for the first time, was very scary for me. But I've learned, to really like it. It's really fun just to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it. I highly recommend a solo trip if you ever get the opportunity. We are currently walking north up Las Vegas Boulevard. You can see Resorts World there in the background. We're going to be checking out Wynn and Encore next. The Wynn in Encore is another stunning property. It's pretty new too, and it's on a golf course. The rooms themselves are a little pricey, but if you're looking for a 5-star experience, the Wynn in Encore is a good choice. Do you personally stay at the Wynn or the Encore or both? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Now we're gonna go check out Resorts World. Can you walk there? Yeah, you can walk there. It's not really close, but you could definitely walk there. I find this area of the Strip, personally, like less touristy, so, you know, at nighttime it may feel a little more eerie. The buildings and businesses along the way are more smaller stores or not big mega resorts. Down past Resorts World was where you'll find Circus, and the Strat. Resorts World is a very new casino. There are 3 hotels right within Resorts World. You could also find a huge dining and shopping extravaganza called the District. Resorts World stands where the Stardust Resort once was. Resorts World is very modern and very cool. We enter through Las Vegas Boulevard into the district. That's where we're walking now. We're going to be walking through here to the casino, where we're going to be checking out some shops and some restaurants. Like I said, there's 3 hotels on this property: the Hilton, the Conrad, and the Croxford. Here's a look at the outside of the theater at Resorts World. Artists that you can see here regularly are Katy Perry, Luke Bryan, and Carrie Underwood, all from American Idol. One of the things that I find to be the coolest thing about Resorts World is this famous foods. It's set up like a food court, but it's nothing like a food court. It's pretty incredible. Here you can find street food from around the world. This is pretty interesting here too. I've seen this at breweries sometimes. You pay like per ounce. You could try all the different beers. You just go and you just pour your own, and you pay by how much you take. What a great way to discover new beers from around the world. Have you dined here at Famous Foods before? Let me know in the comments below which places you tried and how you like them. I would love to know. A little walk through the casino. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you're enjoying this video. And if you are and you're new to my channel, or even if you've watched my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. I would love that. Thank you so much. And for those of you that are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. You guys rock the hardest. Now we're going to be walking back out to the Strip. I'm currently staying over at Harrah. It's a Hilton Grand vacation property over by Planet Hollywood and the Miracle Mile Shop. Really cool place. But I'm going to be filming the walk heading back that way. The next resort on this side of the Strip would be Treasure Island, also known as TI. But before that is the Fashion Show Mall. We're going to stop in there really quickly, but I want to show you what the walk is like heading back towards the center of the Strip. It's probably about an 8 to 10 minute walk over from Resorts World to the Fashion Show Mall. I'm pretty hungry at this point. I honestly thought we were going to eat over at Paris or Venetian, and we never did. You know, when you're walking and you just like, you don't eat. So we're going to actually, of all these great places, we're going to go up to the food court and see what they have there. Honestly, I would never even mention that I went to go dine at the food court because, like, really, who cares? But these sandwiches were so good. I ordered a chicken sandwich and my husband ordered a burger. The place was called Habit. I was very unenthused that we were eating at the food court, but it was so good, and that's why I really wanted to add it to the video, and it was so cheap. Now I'm going to take you guys over to Treasure Island. We're going to take a walk through there. It's also known as TI. One of the wonderful things about staying there is they have a CVS 24-hour pharmacy right on site. If you want water or wine or Advil for your hangover or munchies, there's a place you could go to for 24 hours a day. That is really great. They do also have a little store, though. If you do want the inflated, jacked up prices, they do have another little store there as well. The atmosphere in here is really cool. It's kind of piratey, kind of feels like, I always revert back to Disney World somehow in my videos, but kind of feels like Pirates of the Caribbean a little bit. The rates are low to mid-range. They even have some deals. I think you have to book them through the website where you can get special rates without the resort fee, and that's pretty much unheard of in Vegas. Treasure Island is located across the street from the Venetian and the Palazzo. It is next door to the Hard Rock, which was formerly the Mirage. Now we're going to take a walk through the Caesars Forum. The shopping centers here are just amazing. Hope you're enjoying this video series of what we did in a day. I'm really hoping this series will help people better understand where everything is. It's great to look at a video and be like, oh, that place looks cool, but knowing where it is and how to get to the next place that you are interested in going could, better help you decide where it is that you want to stay. Location, location, location. Coming up next, I'm going to be working on my video where I take the monorail over to Westgate, then over to Sahara, and then from Sahara, we're going to be walking over to the Strat. So if you're interested in seeing the north side of the Strip resorts, this video will be for you. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself, get your butt to Vegas. Be kind to others, safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.